Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Floofie and I'm the owner of this little passion project called Picky Picky. First of all, once again, I want to apologize for not posting anything for almost 80 days in my YouTube studio. It shows me that the recent video was posted 80 days ago. I'm so sorry. I know I promised to upload a tutorial or two, and I was like having big plans for the first quarter of the year, but due to the final exams and me taking a break from everything for some time, because of that reasons, I couldn't keep up with the small business or my YouTube or anything. I'm so sorry for that, but starting from today onwards, which is April 1st, I will be getting back on track. So yeah, stay tuned for new tutorials, new vlogs, and I'll be doing a quarterly review by the end of this month, so stay tuned for that. And this vlog is regarding the very first market that I had during the month of January 2025. I attended to a pop-up market at CCC. The market went on for 3 days, and this vlog will contain the snippets of those 3 days. Since then I didn't participate for any markets, or I was not updating the cafe much, and yeah, so I have lots of things to do to get back in track. But yeah, let's see, I'll try to shoot some my week as a small business owner or something along the line of that ish. And yeah, I hope you guys are staying safe and staying well. As always, thank you for supporting me, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye, have a nice day.
Hey guys, good morning. I'm at the CCC and the time is 9:41. Don't mind my voice, I'm a bit not well. So this is what my table looks like. I booked a half table, so I only have this much of plushies left and maybe few at home. These are the ones that I did, newly did, and I made some sooooooons and so many mini Kirby's, the froggy, the boo bears, and the sunflowers. So yeah, these are leftovers from the previous market, and I'm not sure how it would go. This is my first time at CCC, and I'm not expecting that much. As usual, I just want to cover the booth fees, which was 18,000. Half table was 6,000 per day, and this is going on for 3 days. So yeah, yeah, bye. Okay, so the mall is open. It opens at 10 a.m. and my table is already ready. Even though I don't have much stock. And since I have half the table, the other half, the person who is supposed to be is not here yet. Let's see how it goes. Wait, hold this. I got this. Wait, I got this. End of day 1. As usual, I'm not staying until it is over. It ends at 10 p.m. but I'm leaving around 8:30, and we are going to have something for dinner. No. Bye. We decided to eat outside, my sister and me. So this is what we got. So we have, you tell what? Ulundu vade, idli, mini idli, potlam paratha, ulundu vade again, and the, what do you call this?
These are chutney.
Chutney.
Yeah. This is raita.
Onion something.
Raita.
Raita. Ah, okay. Something dropped from your finger. Okay, and this is what?
Dal.
This is not dal. This is like
a sauce.
sauce. This is also a sauce. Like, ooh. Yeah, I think so. Okay, and yeah, we're gonna eat. Guys, good morning, and it's day 2 at CCC. So the time is 10:08 and the mall opens at 10 a.m. and there is no crowd yet. This is how the stores are looking. And this is how my setup is looking. Don't have any racks or nothing, just a plain old setup. So I have to upgrade my displays this year. And I'm feeling much better than yesterday. I think the meds work. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, hey guys, a quick update. It's day 2 and the time is 1:40. So this is what my store is. I'm even ashamed to call it a store, but however, these are the plushies that are left. I had 5 yesterday and 3 remaining. However, sooooooon, I didn't sell any. Mini Kirby's I sold 2, and there was Potato Boy and the bear. Those got sold. However, none of the big, I mean like one big plushie got sold yesterday, but other than that, none of the big ones got sold. So it's been kind of a slow market. I mean, like, I always compare my markets to the very first market that I had, which was the Comic-Con. But so anyway, so that was the update. It's 1:41 and I think I sold quite a few for the past 30 minutes. And yeah, let's see. So don't know whether you can see, the time is 5:35 p.m. and this is how my stall is looking like. I sold quite a few plushies today and this is how the mall looks like. Yeah. Let's see. I met some from who knows me from the cafe and from Instagram, so yeah, I was quite happy to meet them. And yeah, I have one more day to go. This is day 2 and today hopefully I'll be making some more plushies when I get home. Don't mind the tape. Guys, the time is 7:18 p.m. and I'm thinking of leaving now. I feel like it's enough for me, so because I have to come tomorrow also, and I'm eyeing for a ring. I wanna buy a ring from the stall in front of me. Like, I wanna check it out. I'm gonna check it out. And yeah, I guess that's it for the second day of the stall, first stall of 2025. And yeah, see you on day 3. Bye. So end of day 2, I decided to have a little walk. So I'm walking and I see Pom Pong. Okay, there's a shop called Pom Pong, and the last time after the Comic-Con, I mean like during the Comic-Con, we had a burger, like a chicken burger or something,
It was from Pampang and it was very yummy. Okay, I really wanted to try it again, and I see this outside. Let me show you. Okay, and I want to go. I'll probably go there now. Yeah. Oh, and I couldn't buy the ring. I will buy the ring tomorrow.
I'm inside the park and I ordered some teriyaki, because the one that I got from the Comic-Con, I can't even remember the name, and it was only 500 rupees, so it was very yummy. I really wanted to try it again, but what to do? I'm waiting for my order. Yeah, I'm gonna take it home and I will try it. Hey guys, so it's day 3 and this is how my setup looks like. These were some of the plushies that were halfway made, so yesterday I completed them. This and this bee and this axolotl. This one I had made already, and I also finished these 2 pop mushy boys. It's like it's popping, that's why we call it pop mushy. I actually have a pattern for this on my Etsy, so if you guys are interested you can go and purchase it. In the pattern, the mushy also has 2 arms and 2 legs, but in this one, since I didn't have enough time, I just managed to complete it this way. And I also finished 3 more mini Whaley's, and yeah, I really love this mini Totoro. Oh my god, it's so cute. Like, oh my god, I should make more of these. This looks so cute. And that's it. I'm feeling much better today, but I still feel tired because I'm not fully recovered. But yeah, this fishy and this sheep head, like sheep girl, these 2 are tutorials. You can go check it out. All the videos, like the tutorials for these 2, are already up on my channel. You can go check it out. So yeah, let's see how this day goes. The time is currently 9:48 AM and the mall opens at 10 AM. So yeah, good luck. Okay guys, day 3 and a quick little update. The time is 4:32 PM. There's Minion and he's handing over balloons. So cute. Okay, so it's the end of day 3 and as usual I'm leaving early. It's like 7:40 PM now, and my sister is with me here. There she is. So just like yesterday, I'm gonna go to Pampang because I want my sister to try it too. It was really tasty. Like, I went home yesterday and had it. So yeah. Let's look at the buildings. Skyscrapers. So,